This is No Face Bigfoot, and welcome to my Cyberpunk 2077 Collector's Edition unboxing video. Holy guacamole, rat man! What did you get yourself into this time? This is huge. It even has a handle with it. Man, well, I did pay $300 for it, and it did arrive 2 days late. Thank you, GameStop. But hey, at least I got it. Anyway, what we're going to do is just, let's look at the box real quick. You know, wow, just look at this. Okay. And in the back, features some artwork. Okay, and then it allows you to see what comes in this package right here. Okay. And then this is the other side of the box. Okay. So what we're going to do, since I don't want to embarrass myself live on YouTube, which you can't see half of my face because my camera's all messed up. So we're going to take this box off. Woo! Alright. Now, this part right here also comes off. Ta-da! Night City changes everybody, doesn't it? Alright. So this is what the box looks like. And so what we're going to do is take this apart. Actually, we're just going to open it. I don't even plan on messing this up. Oh, man, this is crazy, isn't it? So we're going to do this. Alright. Now, we already got styrofoam in here. Now, of course, this probably has some stuff in it, right? Okay, this is half the box. And we got another half right here, which, if you can't see right now, now you can. They actually have a clever handle in there. So this is a really clever, well put together package. Unfortunately, right now, the PS4 version is always crashing. So, you know, I probably won't be playing it for a while. And actually, I've been playing Assassin's Creed anyway, so I'll come back and fix that later. This is an unboxing video, so you don't want to see me put it together. You want to see me take it apart, right? So, here we go. And let's see what's in here. Uh-oh, it's taped. So that means, alright, sorry. But I'm going to have to do this, which luckily it comes off really nice. I hate when tape stuff up like that, but there's probably a good reason so that it doesn't come apart. Alright, so yeah, if you see them right now, you suck at unboxing videos. You don't know half of it. Luckily, I don't ever keep the boxes because I'm not someone who does a lot of collecting. When I do get something, I want to show it off. Alright, so when we do that, there goes my Ubisoft poster. Alright, first off, we got some action figures here. And I believe this is V. No, not from the movie V. Yeah, I'm cutting the head off in the video, isn't it? So, this is, yeah, V. And if anybody remembers the series V from the 80s and a remake several years ago, you would realize, you know, that it was about aliens who ate rats and everything. This is a different V right here. This is the V from Night City, the main character, I believe. Isn't he played by Keanu Reeves or something? So, again, I don't keep with all that stuff anymore. I just keep with what games coming out and how they play. Now, this is beautiful right here. Just check this out. Now, imagine if Evel Knievel had a motorcycle like this. Holy cow, just look at that. This is incredible. I like the marksmanship on it too. It's actually pretty well made. I mean, this isn't cheap junk right here. Okay? So, we're going to put that there, and B's going to go here. And notice, I assume that hooks to a stand or something, or it may go to this. No, it actually goes to this right here, because I think this is the statue stand right here. Or maybe not. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. So, that's next. Okay? Alright. So that's what's included in that box, styrofoam box right here. And again, this is, well made. Alright, the next big thing is this, what's in this box right here. Okay? So we're going to go ahead, open it up, and this is what really I was looking into. First off, this plastic name. Look at this. Wow. Just look at that. And I wonder if these are all the people who actually made the game. Okay, next up. This game, I believe, comes in 2 discs because, guess what? It takes up 110 gigs of memory on your PlayStation 4. I'm not sure when you upgraded the PS5 version with this, or how much the PS5 version is, but that's about close to 1/8 of your memory right there. So that's over 10%, close to 12.5%. So that's really crazy. Okay, so we'll open this up in a minute. We got this art book here. This is what I knew was in there. This is just absolutely insane right here. Okay, and this is probably would cost you, I don't know, maybe $75, $80 in a store. So this is just, it's crazy. Like, right here. And I don't want to mess this up, so I'm going to be really careful here. Okay, there we go. There's some artwork. And this is just insane. And again, just look at futuristic. Now remember, I believe this is steampunk, so. But it's still very futuristic, even for a steampunk game. So, alright. And then here's the city center right here. So again, this is the art book. I'm sure it's worth probably close to $75, maybe $100. Okay, there's other stuff here. This is something crazy. Okay, and here we go. 2077. Okay. Alright. Look at this. Empty. Good going. Maybe this is a case or something. Wow. Okay. So that might just be me. Alright, what's next here? Alright. Let's see what we have here. Stickers. Okay. So we have stickers. There we go. My camera's a little bit lopsided, so that's why I'm holding things lopsided. And plus, I have depth perception problems, so which is why I don't drive an 18-wheeler. Okay. So here we have 2 pens. Okay. So this is pretty neat right here. Okay. We got 2 more little boxes. Okay. This is just really nice. Alright, here's a patch. Alright, this one's the heaviest of them all. And it comes with a keychain. Oops. This is just insane right here, what's in here. And then finally, evidence kits. So this is a visitor's guide to Night City. So I'm not going to open this because I don't want to mess it up right now. It says, do not use this bag for any evidence that was wet, damp, body fluids only. So there you go. Okay, this is the back of it. Alright, I don't think there's nothing else in here. So, but wow. I mean, this is actually worth, the money that you put into it. So this is not, some cheap thing. This isn't like some of the stuff I've gotten with Ubisoft. Look at Assassin's Creed games. Yes, I've gotten some good stuff with those. But with this, I just can't believe this art book. This is the official art book. It's just simply amazing. Okay? And now we gotta open this up. So this is an unboxing video, right? So this is the most important thing for me. We're gonna play the game, right? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do this. Yeah, I know I need a blade. Sorry about that, folks. But here we go. So my head's cut off. But hey, you can see one of my favorite heroes right here, right? From My Hero Academia. Alright, so there we go. Alright, this is the back of it. It's kind of crazy, isn't it? Alright, so we're going to open it up. Okay. Looks like we have a postcard here. Okay, so we have several postcards. This is just like, oh my god, at least my floor is clean. Okay, so there we go with, 3 postcards in there. Okay, you will not see that because that's my codes right there. Alright, now here's a map of Night City, which I believe is like 1.5 times the size of GTA 5. So this is what it looks like. Okay. There is a good reason why this game is 110 gigs. Okay. Now I know that it's not as large as some of the Call of Duty games, because I've heard those are like up to 200 gigs now, especially when you download all the multiplayer maps and everything. So I'm just going to put this right here. And there's a book that goes with this. So it's a World Compendium. Alright. And it goes over the different places. So this talks about Pacifica and the Badlands. Okay. Usually when I think about the Badlands, I think about the Dakotas where I used to live at. So, all right. And finally, this is to this game. So there's other stuff here. More stickers. Okay, advertisement. Advertisement. Okay, tells you where to go for DLC and technical support. And finally, here we go, the actual game disc. So there are 2 of these. Okay, so I need to get out the way here, and so I can show this. Yeah, my back is killing me because I haven't done this on the floor. I've got to come up with a better setup here. There's this one. Okay. Right, that goes back on here because I want to make sure this works. Don't want to scratch it or anything. Other than the game's probably not really working that well right now. Alright. And there is disc 2. Okay. So one's like a data disc, and the other one you actually put in the game. So it's kind of like Red Dead Redemption 2 when I played it. So, because that one was like 90 some gigs, so it required 2 different, it required 2 discs on it. And I actually have the hard copy, not the digital. Okay, and the reason I got the digital because it's forever, but I probably won't be able to play this without a patch. A good one too. So this right here says 7 gigabytes minimum, but it's way more than that. It's like 110 right now. Alright, so that's it for this unboxing video. That's really crazy, isn't it? Just look at this. Craftsmanship. You don't see this often. Okay? And only get these maybe once a year. I got one for Uncharted 4, the last Assassin's Creed. So, which was Origins. Alright, there we go. Really good. That just looks so good right there. Okay, well, I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video, and slap that thumbs up button if you like this video. I'm sorry if it's kind of crappy or whatever, but this is about the best I can do for an unboxing. It's my last one of the year. So slap that thumbs up button if you like the video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And please stay safe. I do have more videos coming up, including my Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas sale buys. I'm out of here. Oh, yeah. And when my pinball machine comes in, we'll have a video for that also. And once I get these put together, we'll have an unboxing. Well, not an unboxing, but an unveiling video for those. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please take care. Peace.